The Snowpark section provides information on slopes and lifts with a filter to show and hide slope information. The current design. The filter is placed above the slope map with sharp corners checkboxes in black and white, which potentially lacks visual appeal and might affect the user's perception of the relationship between the filter and the slope specifications. The Olympic course filter mainly shows and hides the Olympic course on the map, while the others also affect the slope specification, which appears as an inconsistency in the filter function. The lift route does not show on the slope map, which appears as insufficient information. Slopes and lift information are displayed in monotone, resulting in a lacking variation or color differentiation. The new design. The filter moved to the position between the slope map and the slope specifications. This allows users to notice that the filter takes effect on both the slope map and the slope specifications more easily. The checkboxes change to a more noticeable color with round corners. The new design adopted a generally used checkbox style by most websites to improve learnability. Removing the Olympic course filter and grouping information into related difficulty levels and representing it with red stars in the slope specifications addressed user confusion by showing data in a simpler way. Adding lift routes to the slope map enables users to understand the overall connectivity of the park to provide better utility. Applying color to each group of information reduces the boring appearance and enables users to quickly and easily differentiate slope levels and lift information. The headers of difficulty levels are presented in a similar color as shown on the slope map. The slope specifications table has been adjusted to provide a more spacious and organized presentation. The reservation section provides a means for users to reserve accommodation online. The current design. No page title is shown on the page, which is less clear to users that they are on the reservation page. Users can only search for rooms by type, check-in date, check-out date, and number of rooms, making it more challenging to find rooms that accommodate their desired number of people. The available room list displays only the room type's name and room price, potentially lacking additional details that could help users make informed decisions. There is no way to go back to the previous step during the reservation journey. This might lead to user frustration if they need to revise their selections. The consent section placed on the top of the reservation form may disrupt the flow of the page. The unchecked consent checkbox displayed with a tick on a white background can be confusing for users, as it contradicts the expected visual convention. Hints are in a similar color that is less noticeable by users, potentially reducing the effectiveness of guiding users through the form. Users are required to check the room price again on the reservation form, which leads to repetitive interactions. The new design. Display the page title to notify users which page they are looking at and improve internal consistency. The search by the number of people feature is added to the room search function to provide a better utility. One more step is displayed on the reservation status. Room brief information and image are shown on the available room list. This improvement enables users to make faster decisions by providing essential information directly on the list view. Users can click View More to check room detail information in a pop-up box. The new design enhances the user control to explore further details during the reservation journey and make more informed choices if they desire more comprehensive information. Room brief information, booking period, and price are displayed at the top of the reservation form, allowing users to quickly review essential details before proceeding with their booking. Following the room information, the reservation details input form appeared next. The consent section has been moved to the bottom of the reservation form, providing a more intuitive flow to the reservation process. The hyperlink is added to the process status to allow users to go back to the previous step if they regret their choices. Hints are shown in red that are presented in a more noticeable color to improve the effectiveness of guiding users to complete their tasks. Remove the tick in the unchecked consent checkbox to avoid user confusion. This new design aims to enhance the user experience by improving clarity, usability, and overall reservation efficiency. The waterpark section comprised the main page, indoor zone section, and outdoor zone section to provide the waterpark facilities information to users. The current design. Entry and exit journeys were displayed in text only, which appeared less visually engaging for users. After going to a zone page, no way to go to the other zone page or back to the waterpark main page. Users need to click through the facility buttons one by one to check the information, which can be cumbersome. The new design. Split the entry and exit journey and display each step with representable icons, enhancing the visual appeal and making it easier for users to understand and follow the journey. Added a back button to the zone page to enable users to navigate back to the waterpark main page easily. This improves the flexibility and user control over their browsing experience. Display all facilities of the same zone on one single page. Users can either scroll to browse all information or click the facility buttons to jump to a specific section. The new design streamlines the process of accessing facility information, improving efficiency and user experience.